Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Fortnite media streaming error problem. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. Our first solution consists of a few small steps. The first we need to open up Task Manager. You just need to make sure the Fortnite is closed. You just need to search for it and make sure it is closed. After that, you just need to close stuff here and you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. In here, we need to delete few folders, guys. These folders are Epic Games Launcher and Fortnite Game and Epic Games. You just need to right click on it and select delete it guys, but this folder is in use. You just need to click on this drop down over here and right click on the Epic Games and select exit. Now select try again, it will be delete guys. Select try again. This will not damage Fortnite or any of our games guys. We only need to log back into our account. The next step is to disable full screen automation for Fortnite. To do this, you just need to open up Epic Games. You just need to select library and you just need to select the three dot next to the Fortnite and select manage and select open install location. Click on it. In here, you just need to double click on Fortnite game and binaries folder and Win64 folder. In here, you just need to scroll down and find these four files, guys, with Fortnite logo. You just need to find it, and after that, you just need to right click on the file one by one and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimization and select apply for save changes take effect. You just need to do the same thing for all other Fortnite logo icon folder. You just need to do it. Disable full screen optimization. Select apply and OK. The same thing. We disabled the full screen optimization. Now we need to restart our computer, guys. Now you just need to go ahead and restart our PC. And after restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution, guys. The second solution is to change Fortnite compatibility mode. To do this, we need to go to the location. We already have visited this folder. You just need to come to this folder. After that, you just need to right click on the Fortnite icon folder one by one and select properties, select compatibility tab, and this time you just need to check mark run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 8 and select apply and OK for save changes. Do the same thing for all other Fortnite icon folder. We changed Fortnite's compatibility mode, guys. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.